How to enable dark mode on Instagram on iPhone. First step is to go into your phone's settings, go to display and brightness, change your phone to dark mode. But there's a shortcut to this. Go to the home page, scroll on the side, hold down the brightness, and as you can see here, there's a dark mode, night shift, and true tone. Choose the dark tone, and immediately your Instagram will be in the dark mode. Instagram dark mode is one of those features that's well worth learning how to use. Not only does the darker palette offer more immersive viewing of images and videos, but it also comes with a range of other perks that will make your life better and easier. This will definitely make images and videos pop up like never before. Dark mode considerably reduces the bright light that so many of us are exposed to throughout the day, which means you'll experience far less eye strain, especially at night. That is how you make your Instagram dark mode. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.